So good day and welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our gold. So first we need to know what the trend is, then we will trade with the trend. Now this is clearly a trend to the downside. Basically our gold is trending to the downside. Now we have to trade with it. Now guys, I want you to pay attention to this movement right here. Let's zoom it in a bit. If this is seen as our low, this can be seen as the lower high, and here is the lower low, right? Now this can also be seen as our lower high, and this here comes the lower low. Now this is also the lower high, here comes the lower low, right? So markets eventually pull it back up to form an equal lower high right here. This is an equal lower high that markets literally formed, right? And now it is dropping. We would expect it to continue to drop, right? So it is able to take out this low completely, thereby giving us a new lower low. So guys, a further movement to the downside is what we should be expecting on our gold. We should be expecting gold to give us more movement to the downside. Now let's take a look at it right here. This is day one of it opening and closing bearish. Here comes day two of it opening and closing bearish. This is day three of it opening and closing bearish. So for this day four, we should also expect it to open and close bearish, so a movement to the downside. Now we would expect this low down to our 4 hour time frame. We would expect this low to continue to take out this low, thereby giving us a new lower low. So a bearish move for the day is what we'll be expecting on our gold. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys know. Make sure you subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the updates, like and share also.